good evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome. How are we all doing? Are we all doing all right? Yeah? You sure? All right, that's good. So this evening I am doing a bit of a marathon of filming, basically because I'm really behind in everything that I'm doing. So I am going to be doing my American beauty boxes. These are the ones from November. For those of you who are new to my channel and may not be aware of things, of how we do things here, yes, I am a UK citizen. I live in England, but I do receive the I do subscribe to the American beauty boxes from Ipsy. How I do that is that I use a middle company based in the States that allows you to shop in the United States, and then once you've got all of your orders delivered to your address in the States, you can arrange for it to be shipped over to the UK, which is what I do. So I subscribe to Ipsy, all levels of their subscription. So that's the Glam Bag, the BoxyCharm by Ipsy, and the Icon Box. And when they've all arrived in the States, I then arrange for shipping. So with this lot I'm doing today, these are my November Ipsy boxes, which I'm going to be filming now, and it does take a while for it to arrive to me. Admittedly, this stuff which has arrived, it took a little bit longer to arrive because I took slow mail or shipping, basically because I didn't want to do the customs, so I did the slow shipping. So it took nearly 2 weeks to arrive, so hence why I'm doing it now in December. And this box did arrive sort of middle of the week, but I just didn't have time to do any filming, so I'm doing it all now, and these will all be uploaded during the next week whilst I'm away. So hope you don't mind. So I'm a bit behind, but it's a little bit different, especially for the UK viewers here, because we don't get Ipsy over here in the UK. So today I am going to start off with the Ipsy Glam bag, and this is how it arrives. This one is equivalent to, I don't know what it's equivalent to really. It costs $15 at the moment, but it is going up $1 in December this month. So this month's ones cost $16, which is equivalent. So the $15 is equivalent to, I think I worked it out to something like £12, just under £12. So it's the same sort of price as the GLOSSYBOX. I was going to say it's the same price as the Birchbox, but the Birchbox has gone up a whopping amount. So it's going to be £16–17 from this month, January. Ridiculous, especially for receiving samples. It's just ridiculous. But anyway, so this is the Ipsy Glam bag. Ipsy Glam bag normally comes in a nice bag, so we've got various different bags. I mean, this is the bag I received in October, so it was the Halloween theme. I've got loads of these little bags around somewhere. Yeah, you always get a little bag each month. So I have things inside of these bags, so that's why I kind of have them around me in my desk here. You'll get 5 deluxe sample size products inside the Glam bag, and sometimes you might get a full size item in there, and if it's a full size it'll be like a lipstick, or it could be a sheet mask, or it could be a makeup brush. So 5 items at the price of say £12 our money, $15 in the States. So let's go ahead and do the November one. Oh yes, in November they had a choice of 2 coloured bags. Let's have a look. Yep, we've got 2 coloured bags in there. So you could have got the pink or the purple, and I've got the purple, which I'm really happy about. This is like a plush, sort of, not quite velvet, more sort of spongy. And then you've got the little gold handle here, so it's kind of nice. And then you've got the Ipsy tag there, and then you've got your items in there. And it looks like all of my items fit inside. Yep, all of my items fit inside the bag. You do get a card. Sometimes they give you the details of the items. I have got the details, which is great. They've been really good on this in the last few months, because sort of middle of the year, beginning of the year, we weren't always getting the details of our items, but got it here. Right, so let's go through this Glam bag. So remember, 5 deluxe size items. The theme in November was, what was the theme? The Glammest Show on Earth. So that was the theme. Okay, so all in preparation for Thanksgiving back there in November for the American citizens, and getting ready for the holiday season, because for them holiday season starts November the 25th. So there we go. Let's pull these items out. So this is from Sonage, and this is a skincare hydrating mist, and it says here, skin in need of a refresh. This hydrating mist gives a burst of radiance as it sets your makeup and leaves your skin feeling refreshed and dewy. Ingredients like aloe vera, rose water and ginseng help calm, brighten and soothe even the most sensitive of skins. Tip: spritz the mist over your makeup or whenever you need a boost. This is a deluxe sample. Suggested retail price for the full size of this version of this item, which is 100 mils, is $24. So I'll just open it up. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this, because they're saying it can. They say it gives a glowy finish, but I know that Sonage is, well, it's a decent, it's a known skincare brand. I'm looking to see how much is in here. Can I tell? No, it's full. Because usually with the items like this, especially if it's a sample, it'll be like down there. But this is actually full. And it's a spray. And that's what it is. I'm not sure if I'm keeping that. Hydrating mist. I mean, it's good for my skin, and I probably should keep it. Because my skin is so oily, because from what I've been told is because my skin is dehydrated. So maybe I should keep it. I don't know. Alright, but I might do. Next is from Grown Alchemist. This is a brand I really like. Really good quality skincare products. But they cost a flipping fortune. This brand is so expensive, but the products are fantastic. So this is from Grown Alchemist, and this is a polishing facial exfoliant. I'm going to be keeping this. Get your dull and rough looking skin back to a smooth, soft and supple state with help from this revitalizing scrub. It's gentle enough to use every day, and the grapefruit and rose hip oils help balance your skin and keep your oil production in check. Oh, okay. Sounds like something I need to be keeping, because, oily skinned girl here. So this is a deluxe sample. The suggested retail price of the full size version of this product is, what is that? $65. Bloody hell, that's a full size. And this is a deluxe sample. The full size is 75 mils. And what have we got here? We have got here, oh god, I can't read it. See, when I'm wearing contact lenses, I can't read things. I think that says, ooh, I don't know, is that 20 mils? I don't know, but yeah, there you go. It's more than 20 mils. Cool. Okay, that's two good products. Where's the makeup? Then we've got from Jecca Black. This is a brand I'm not fond of. Jecca Black. There's nothing I've tried from this brand which I like. Nothing. And I have tried a few things. So this is from Jecca Black, and it's a hydrate primer. The key to a flawless base that lasts all day. A prepped and primed face, of course. This 2-in-1 primer creates a smooth, even canvas for long wearing makeup, while also hydrating your skin with juicy ingredients like shea butter and aloe juice. I won't be keeping this. Just the fact that it's got shea butter in it for a primer, that's just so not for my skin type. So it says here, tip, gently tap a pea-sized amount all over your face before applying foundation and face makeup. Deluxe sample. Suggested retail price of this full-size version of this product, which is 20 mils, is $20. Okay. I might just bring this with me anyway, because my sister is, I'm going on holiday on Monday. Today's Saturday night. And my sister is relying on me to bring all the makeup and stuff. So I'm going to bring this with me because her skin is dry. So she might appreciate that. So I'll bring it for her. Right, then we have got this. This is the item I chose. This is, oh, with the Ipsy you can pick one item. So, which is kind of good, so you can customize the bag a little bit. So this is from Estate Cosmetics and Precision Liquid Eyeliner in Midnight Blue. So it says here, Estate Cosmetics Precision Liquid Eyeliner in Midnight Blue. Thick flicks, kitten wings, graphic lines and more. This deep blue liquid liner makes any eye look easy to achieve. The ultra fine felt tip glides on your skin like butter, no tugging here, and delivers the perfect dose of colour right when you want it, where you want it. Tip: hold the liner like a pen and draw along your lash line, flicking out into a wing at the corner. This is a full-size item and it is worth $12. Okay, so this is the item I chose. I do like Receive in coloured liquid eyeliners. Don't get them very often. We get coloured gel eyeliners, sort of pencil style, but we don't normally get coloured eyeliners. I'm trying to open it. It's got a seal on it. I can't see how to break the seal. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let's... Oh, it's beautiful. That is beautiful. I don't know why I'm doing this, because it's really late at night here, but you know, gotta see what it's like. Oh, my eyes are red. I could tell it's late. Yep, that is lovely. Yeah, that is definitely coming with me. Yeah, I like that a lot. Okay, and we've got one last item in here, which is another makeup item, and this is from Tarte Tartelette Tubing Mascara. This mascara is actually, I've had this full size and I've actually really liked this mascara from Tarte. This is just a small version. So this revolutionary tubing mascara is like lash extension experiences in a tube. It features microtubing technology that wraps each lash in a lengthening tubes, delivering 24-hour flake-free, smudge-proof and sweat-proof results. Tips: start at the base of your lashes and comb the wand through your hairs. It's a deluxe sample. Suggested retail price of the full size version of this product is $25, and full size is 8 mils. This is obviously a lot smaller, it's probably about 2 mils, but yeah, this is a great mascara, it really is. Let me bring you back out again. Okay, I think my Glam bag, $15, £12, I think it's really, really good. Loving this. So got this liquid eyeliner. I'm bringing this on holiday with me. It's beautiful. It's a really nice deep blue, which, you know, I can use instead of a black, which is wonderful. Really happy with the facial exfoliant from Grown Alchemist. Fantastic brand. Not so fond of the Jekka Black Hydrate Primer, but I'm going to bring this with me because my sister will use it. Then we've got the Tarte mascara. I'm going to bring that with me so my sister can use that as well, because she'll be happy with that. And I'm going to bring the Sonage Hydra Mist with me as well, because one of us will use it. So for me, all 5 items, pretty good. I'm really pleased with my Glam bag this month. So definitely all items, great. I would say Alchemist, the Grown Alchemist facial exfoliant, that gets a score of 1. The mascara I'm going to give to my sister to use, that gets a score of 1/2. The hydrating mist I'm probably going to end up using, so that's 2.5. The hydrate primer my sister will use, so we're on 3. And the eyeliner in Midnight Blue from Estate Cosmetics I'll definitely be using, so that's a score of 1. So 4 out of 5. I am delighted with my Glam bag. Good. Right, what do you think? Honestly, when you look at this and then compare it to the UK boxes, I know guys, I know, but let's not fill in it, because if you can't access the American boxes, you can't access them. But what I like about receiving my American stuff is that any products that I receive which I'm not going to use, I can put in a giveaway, I can sell on eBay if I have to, you know what I mean? So, you know, we all benefit in a way, don't we? Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe on your way out if you haven't done so already. Yeah? Hit that subscribe button. You done it yet? Yeah? All good. Take care. Thank you very much for watching. See you in a bit. Bye.